Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I have something extra special here to show you today. This is a baby book made out of a little golden book, Dumbo, for my future granddaughter who will be here soon. And I'm so excited. I wanted to show this to you. It's, of course, made out of a little golden book. And I love the cover, so I didn't want to cover it up. The side has, let's see if I can get this where you can see, Chanel. I love Chanel. It reminds me of my childhood. But I cheated, and I sewed the signatures in, and then I added the fabric over it, because it's kind of hard to sew the signatures in and the buttons together at the same time. I've done it, so I am a real woman. I have done it, but I didn't like it. It was hard, and it wasn't that pretty. So I just added the buttons and then added the fabric to it. And there's little Dumbo and his friends Mickey and Minnie and Winnie Pooh. And my friend and I are expecting grands at the same time, and she sent me the most amazing baby Happy Meal package. I mean, like, not a little envelope. And I have used a lot of her stuff in this journal, and it just, I mean, all these fabulous buttons, these, I got these when I first found out they were expecting, and I've been holding on to them ever since, waiting to make this. But it's just very special to me, this book, and this baby, and these people. So here, let's see if I can, again, I like the covers, so I didn't cover it, but I covered the spine with some cool fabric and some ribbon. I'm in a really bad, I'm in a movie, sorry, I can barely reach it, but I want you to be able to see. So, this is a flashcard with some little princess girl on there, and then back on the back side is daughter and daughter-in-law, which she is my daughter-in-law, but she is, I would keep her anyway. I forget which one is really mine, the husband or the wife. We just love her. We're very fortunate. And I went to Pinterest and just Googled a bunch of free images, like Disney and Dumbo, and just princesses, and so I got some really cool cards, and then I had some, I can't remember, I want to say I got that from TLC Creates Vintage, but I can't be certain. Anyway, I got a bunch of this is terrible lighting, I'm so sorry. Got a bunch of this style of pictures, so that later, they can color. She can color it, or they can color together, or whatever. And this little guy, we all love him. And then this was from my friend and the baby Happy Meal. Look at that little sweet girl. Some little baby Donald Duck. I cut these hands out of, I had some scrapbook paper that were hands, baby hands, and I cut them out. Here is Daisy. And look at the baby. They're so cute. I just can't stand it. They're just so cute. And I was able to, by following Gayle Agostinelli's tutorials, I was able to do the book with the pages in order and not cut the pages, and I even didn't fold them, because what I did instead, whoops, was, you can't see it, but I didn't, you know, the golden strip, a lot of times we cut that off because it's all jacked up, but this is a brand new book, so it wasn't. So I was able to just add the spine with the complete front and back cover. It had the golden strip on there. So it, you know, made it a 1/2 inch wider, or however, I think it's 1/2 inch or so, so that I was able to, I didn't even have to fold any of the pages or anything. So they're full size, let me find one that's, let you look. See that book page? It's actual full size. So I was very excited about that. And found some found some washi tape, cupcake washi tape. And she's sweet. Look at her. She's giving her doll baby a bath. I just think that's sweet. And I had some cool circusy looking washi. I have one with balloons too. I have this little trim. And then I cut out a few that were not color and book style. A little guest check. And then here's, I had a few Disney Trivial Pursuit cards. I just think they're adorable. And this one, of course, is Dumbo, and then cuddle, the definition of cuddle. And look, it's so cute. I just think it's adorable. And here he is with Mama. I was really surprised in my stash how many things I had that went with like a circus type thing. This ribbon and several washi tapes. And look, can you stand it? It's a real baby Dumbo. Well, minus the big old ears, but thought this was cute. I started to cut him out, or you know, hole punch them, but I thought it was. I decided to just leave it as a card. It's cute. And then a little fabric flip. And the second signature. A little girl with a bunch of balloons. And then here's the pocket. A little angel. It's a Daphne's Diary angel, I think. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. And then I got some more of these color book style cards. Another, there's a Disney playing card up there. Cinderella. Look at her. She's just so cute. Thumper. This is sweet too, that little girl. big old fabric color covered card. And there's a lot of space in here for writing or adding pictures or, you know, whatever. And this here is Princess definition. And then here's her little crown, her little dress. It's about her friend Butterfly. There's Eeyore. Oh, look at this. Look at her. Isn't she cute? It's Baby Belle. She's so adorable. Oops. Another Disney Trivial Pursuit card. And Gus and I can't remember the other guy's name. Little babies. Believe. Some circus fabric. And then the Dumbo sign. Little mini. And some more little cards. And this last one is Winnie the Pooh. And a fabric flip. And that is it. Anyway, I'm real excited. I love it. I hope that they enjoy putting pictures of the baby in, and or it may live with me and I do it. Which would be fine with me too. So we'll probably, everybody will put contribute pictures to it. But anyway, that is my latest treasure, and I wanted to show it to you. And Gayle's YouTube is Gayle Agostinelli, so she's easy to find, and she's got really good tutorials on how to do these without having to cut the pages and all of that. So anyway, thank you for your time, and I hope y'all have a good day.